I have to do something first, bro. Like, I have to, I'm going to sell my car, bro.
The time I said to him, I was like, yo, bro, I love you. What did he say? He was like,
okay, fine, dog. You know why I said that? Because the last time someone told me they loved me, they were lying,
okay.
bro. Are you happy, dog? Zille, dog, please Uber me home.
give me the car.
Huh?
Right down.
Please drop me.
Where?
Oh, it's right here, dog.
It's your boy, Just Getty.
Drip, shooter pop out with the pool stick. Effing and Draco extended 30 and it's sent on my hip. 35,000 for the brand new Rolly wrist.
Hey, yo, what up? It's your boy, Just Daddy G, and welcome back. Yes, back to another video. Oh, my seatbelt. So, we're on day 2, it's day 2 of surviving 30 days with 500 rand. And I don't know if, as you can see, I don't know which side I put the balance, bro. I think it's on the right or the left. One is the gas, one is whatever. Right now we have 0 gas, and we have we have more money than we did at the end of the last vlog, because today I'm supposed to go shoot with Mr. Fallback, and then I told him, I was like, yo, dude, slide me some gas money. So he sent me 100. He sent me 100 for gas. I'm going to first I have to do something first, bro. Like, I have to, I'm going to sell my car, bro. I'm not going to sell my car, bro. I know I did it I titled this thing something crazy, but basically I need to like take off the wrap on my car because like okay, 1, it's getting old, 2, like insurance reasons, and also 3, like it's cool to have now, like matte black polo car, whatever, but it's also kind of dangerous, you know what I'm saying? Because like everybody, like one time my tire got slashed, bro, like because of that. Like everyone knows it's my car. It's like, oh my god, that's Hunter's car, whatever. So it's like kind of dangerous, bro. So I'm gonna like just take the wrap off, and then it's gonna be sad, bro. Like the original color's cool, but like it ain't no matte black, bro, Yeah, you see, I told y'all that that's on 0, bro. So let's see. I told him I want 150. Range. Let's see if it goes up at all. Oh, lovely stuff. Say 110. Guess not. Yep. So we have 100. We have 100 Ks. Yo, guys. You know what I just realized, bro? So I've been driving for like 15 minutes now, and every time I'm in the car, bro, I always play music now. But this whole drive, bro, I only realized like a minute ago, after like 15 minutes of, is this the turn or is it the next one? I think it might be this one. But after 15 minutes of driving, I realized that there's no music playing, bro. That's how deep. Yo, why is it like it's blurry, bro? Like, that's how deep I've been in my thoughts, bro, thinking about taking this wrap off, and like how bro, yo, I was deep within it, bro. Like, damn, dog. Yo, damn. Why is there always, bro, there's always like stuff on my lips, bro. Like in videos, it's always just like, yo, bro, I need to pay more attention to that. But yeah, dog. Yeah, man, so update, the bro who usually, like, whenever my car has problems or whenever I need, like, stuff done on my car or whatever, he said he can't do what needs to be done to the whip, so I asked him, what does he recommend? He told me about this place, the 357. I actually know it, which is the crazy thing, because, like, my boys that have cars, whenever they, like, want to pimp out their cars or stuff like that, they always go to that place. So it's gonna be an experience. I've never been there, bro, and like whenever Bruce come back with cars from that place, it's always crazy, bro. That thing's popping and banging, and yeah, man. And hopefully they can do it today, bro, because y'all know my situation, bro. We broke. I'm not trying to hear them tell me, yo, dog, you're gonna have to leave the car here for a day, and then I'm gonna have to Uber home because the Uber's gonna be like 100 rand, and y'all know how much we have, dog. I need to figure out which side I'm gonna place this thing. So I'm gonna put it, the cash is gonna be here. So yeah, literally, bro. So y'all know how much we have. An Uber there, and then fetching the car to Uber back. Like, it's not looking good, bruv. So it's not looking good, bruv, for the balance, dog. So I just bought 52 rand airtime because I need to call people and I need data, dog. I need to, like, yeah, bro. because I need to like sort things out. And I also needed to check GPS to like check some stuff and all of that, bro. So yeah, day 2, not looking good. Yeah, but basically, so the plans were cancelled and now they're back on. Like, they were cancelled because I couldn't use my car because the rap stuff, wada. But one of my other boys is gonna drive, so we're still gonna go to the shoot, we're still gonna go to PTA, all of that good stuff. Yeah. Hey, yo, welcome back, y'all. So it's day 3, new fit, new everything. So some good news, you know. I found like I haven't worn these pants. I haven't worn these pants forever, and I found a 10 rand in them, man. So that's good. But on the bad side, I feel like I'm leaving something. Phone. We'll figure it out. Oh, I'm used to having my car keys, yeah. So I can't use my car, you know, carless boys. I ordered in. Yeah, the bad side was, so Zille has like something that he's shooting today, and I told him I'll pull up. Cool. But issue is I have no car right now, so I have to Uber, bro, and the Uber's like 140, dog. And I asked Lebo to fetch me, bro, and he said, nah, dog. And he was like, nah, I'm not gonna fetch you, bro. You see, bro, when real friends, how many of us, bro, when you down on your last, I think I had 440 just now, and now I don't. When you down on your last 440, niggas ain't there for you, man. But I'll check you when I'm at the spot. So I just landed at Bush and they play music, so I'll be able to vlog my inside. Real friends, how many of us, dog? Real friends.
Don't tell me about real friends. You're here. You made it.
No, real friends.
Bro,
real friends.
guys, let's
stand outside. The music.
The whole thing again.
No, man, I had that.
Let me tell you. The other one. You don't see it.
Now he's acting like a real friend.
Just the two of us.
So I started a series on my vlog channel because of my situation. Surviving 30 days with 500 rand, bro.
There's no way.
Dead ass, bro.
That is such a creative way to make money.
Yeah, this is day 3, and because of you, my balance went from 440 to 300, bro.
You're supporting Zille, bro. Why don't you ask Zille for a ride? You're talent. You're the talent. Ask him.
Nah, real friends, bro. Like I thought I had a friend in you.
No,
but
bro.
Clearly
this nigga wanted to offer me 50 rand to come to fetch you. There's no.
Dog, I thought I was giving you lying.
I'm lying. I'm changing the narrative. Okay.
I was offering you 100, bro.
I'm changing the narrative. You look so pretty, bro. Did you do eyebrows?
Nigga. Don't tell me I look pretty, dog. Don't be trying to flirt when you had me down. Horrendous, dog.
King.
That's a horrible man.
It was out of my control, bro. It was out of my control.
It really was in your control.
It was out of my control. Let's go switch on the counting so you can see. I couldn't even afford to come.
I could've.
Hope you didn't show the license plate. No, I don't want them pulling up on me. Look at that, boy.
2 whole miles, dog.
This is 32 kilometers.
Dog, my house is like 10 max.
On God.
On my mama.
On your mama.
Her back is probably heavy, dog.
Here is Waze right now. Put your location. Don't show the location.
Yeah.
Then I got 18 kilometers. Kilometers away. You want me to use half my tank? Half my tank.
Look. Hold the camera. Let me prove it to you. So, I assume your car's like mine. It uses,
stop this narrative.
Listen. It uses 8 liters per 100 kilometers. Nah. So and a liter's like 25 rand. Nah.
Yeah.
So I could have given you 100 rand, which is 4 liters. Nah. 4 liters, 50 Ks, bro.
But what about inflation,
50Ks,
dog?
Bro.
What about inflation? What petrol prices are this? What do you point to your car, bro? Hope.
I'm talking about on average, right? I know it's like 26.
This nigga gets in his car and just says, God, can I please get there? That's not 100 rand to get to 80 kilometers.
Listen. Okay, yeah, the liter's like what, 27 rand, but I'm just giving you an estimate, dog. So you would have had at least 40 Ks, bro. And that's there and back, dog.
I'm not hearing this chat.
That's the 820 there, 20 back, bro.
I'm not hearing this chat.
Wow, dog.
You see here, bro. You in Santa
Platform, lie.
Put the volume up so I can't post.
No. Tell them.
Basically what happened there, we were in Botswana, me, Zille, and then we're talking and stuff, and I was telling people like, yo, Quinton and I actually close friends, and he was like, friends, I'd say I wouldn't say friends, but like yeah, like I
Dog, you keep making that
story.
shit up. Dog, and if I said that it was a joke, you know it was a joke.
That does sound like something.
Remember the time I said, remember I said
It
to
sounds
Kunta?
like George.
Remember the time I said to Kunta, I was like, yo, bro, I love you. What did he say? He was like,
Okay, fine, dog. You know why I said that? Because the
What?
last time someone told me they loved me,
Oh
they were
my-
lying,
okay.
bro. Are you happy, dog? I'm trauma, dude. I'm trauma. Are you happy?
Okay.
Are you happy?
okay.
Are, 700. There we go. Who's 700? Gooch. After 700.
After 700?
Okay, spin it
Wait,
again.
wait.
47.
Oh, wait.
Guys, you wanted to start.
15.
As long as at least 3 people have gone, I'm mad.
It's just me and you, no?
We'll just start.
I'll go before, you can go last.
No.
No. I'll go before you.
No. You can go last.
No, bro,
You're funnier than me.
I promise
bro.
you can,
You're
you can
funnier
do
than
it.
me.
You can do it.
Huh?
You got it.
Thank you.
Shut up.
Leave it in, but
So who's going last?
You'll go last.
There's no one going last.
Why?
Bro, there is no way I'm going
You're
last.
funnier than me.
Bro, rock, paper, scissors.
You're funnier than me.
I do.
Okay, fine.
No, I'm fourth. It's Zille from Zille. We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Love this brood. So we're doing like a roast thing for ZILLEWIZZY and most of us didn't think he prepare anything except Zille. I think Zille prepared. But this brood has been smiling the whole time, bro. Like, he's just, I'm saying this brood was at the crib writing jokes. Like, come, Gucci looks stressed as fuck, bro. Look at Gucci. Sweating. Sweating, bro. Sweating. Come, Ariola, she's chilling. Brood's like, Zille, dog, please Uber me home.
Give me the car.
Huh?
Right down.
Please drop me.
What?
Oh, Mission. It's right here, dog. It's right here.
This is what Lebo was telling me.
It's right here.
Yo, and they were like, let me. Yo, when they said let me to you, and you know, funny thing is, someone has also mistaken me for Lenny before. So when she said that, I was like, damn.
Dang.
She let me go,
Do you have money?
oh, do you have money? Do you have money?
Dog. Zille, bro. Zille.
Wanna
Zille. That's my bro. From boy to boy. Please.
If I did, I was gonna be like, I'm gonna
Please.
Yes, space. What was
It's not about space. Please drop me at home.
No, you know me, not my answer already. You think this is free? You think this is free? Everything here. Look at this slide. Look at this slide. It's not a house slide. It's not a house slide. Look at this slide. It's not a house slide. You think,
Please. Dog, my house is right
Rather we
here.
go to
My house is right here. Dog, my house is right here, dog.
Chinese kids.
Look, my house is right here. Son, did you drive here?
I'm married.
Did you drive here?
Did I drive here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove here.
Dog, please drop me at home.
Yeah, I'll drove here.
Mid-round, it's right here.
Yeah,
For real?
you don't have a car, Khonz.
Yeah, for real, please.
No, I didn't drive here. My friend actually drove me here.
Real friend.
I don't have a car yet, but I'll have a car.
But soon, boy, I believe.
Let's go. Is it because you don't have more than 88 subscribers, you don't come to us? Yeah?
Please take me home, dog.
Where are you going?
Mid-round.
Midland. Which side is Midland? We came with our boy, but we can talk to us.
That way. Legs.
That side where people don't have furniture.
Yeah, that side.
Yeah. Comment, subscribe onto my channel. What from the
I'll put his channel here.
Yeah, just Daddy Hunt. Like, come on. When I first heard just Daddy G, I thought like the G was for gangster or something. And then I found out that it's for Hunte. Just Papa what the G stands for.
I didn't know I came here to be disrespected.
Hunte, yeah.
Just Papa wa Hunte.
Exactly, dog. And I don't want to go Hunte. Like Hunte.
Yeah, Zille just said he's gonna buy us food,
Yeah.
free meal. Yeah, we hungry broke niggas. We hungry broke.
That's Hunte right now.
Zille said he's gonna buy me food.
What's up, man? How you doing? Off camera, off camera, off camera.